So for Tech Brekkie today, we're going to be looking at Teacher Dashboard and Hapara, and specifically today we're going to look at it from a student's point of view. So I'm logged into Safari here. I'm logged in as one of my students who's in my Year 11 class, and I'm going to show you what it looks like from a student's perspective. So as a student here, this student is very well organised. There's only one thing here which is not inside his folder, but he's in 4 classes which is using the Hapara Teacher Dashboard. So in here in media is all the work that he's done for media in an online environment this year, and that's fantastic. And one of the things that can easily be done with this is that it enables us to create a file for the student to do work without us needing to do anything. We can just simply say to the students, create a file inside your media folder, and that would then allow me to see it as a teacher. So for example, if I go create here, document, it immediately pops up with this for the student, create in a shared folder. The created item will have the same sharing permissions as the selected folder. And what that simply means is if they put something in here, as a teacher you'll be able to see it. So I'm going to go create and share, which is what the kids would have to do every time they do it. I'm going to encourage them to give it a name straight away. So sample for Tech Brekkie. Okay. And here then, when the student starts to type work for media, and it might be industry study, I don't actually need to give them anything before they can work. They can just start straight away with working on this here. Choose how they want to set it out. And immediately, if I now switch to my Chrome view in Teacher Dashboard, if I click here in Year 11, that then allows me to see that I've created it, and obviously I've done it twice now today, a file called sample for Tech Brekkie, which I can see as a teacher. So I'm in as my teacher address here, but that is actually enabling me to see it. And if I switch back to the student, as soon as they click and jump down to the next line, type there, back in here it's immediately come up there. And that's the major advantage for me. I can tell the students to go in and create a document in their Google Drive. When they do that, I can automatically see it straight away, and I can monitor and give quality feedback on the work that they're doing. Obviously, I can still use the Smart Copy Wizard, which is available here under that section here, and that will enable me to send the file to the students. And I've looked at that in the past. I'm happy to help anyone with the specific details that they need if they want to be able to use the Smart Copy Wizard. But if you simply just want the students to be able to do some work that you can see, especially if it's writing, I really recommend that you look into using it that way. Simply tell them to create the file inside the folder, and then you should be able to see it through the Teacher Dashboard.